Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Slide the small release on the Chevrolet Traverse fob and pull out the mechanical key. Once removed, locate the seam where both halves meet. Use a thin, flat screwdriver or a plastic pry tool at the notch to gently twist and separate the case. You want controlled pressure to avoid cracking plastic. Keep fingers clear of the button board. Once the halves begin to separate, slow your motion so the internal PCB stays seated while you fully open the shell. Once the case is open, you'll see the round coin cell held in a metal clip. Take a quick photo or memorize orientation. Most Traverse fobs use the positive side facing up because reversing it will prevent operation. Use a plastic pick to lift the old battery out from under the clip. Avoid metal tools that can short contacts. Slide the new CR 2032 into place, seating the edge under the clip and pressing until it snaps gently into contact with the pads. Once the new battery is seated, align the PCB and shell tabs and press the two halves together until they click. Ensure no buttons are pinched. Insert the mechanical key back into its slot. Now test every function: lock, unlock, remote start if equipped, and panic. If any function is unreliable, reopen and check battery seating and contact cleanliness. Use isopropyl on a cotton swab if corroded. If problems persist, the fob board may be damaged.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.